I'm just going to make a quick video here. Trying to find the slope of the line on the graph here, okay? So we're just trying to find the slope of the line. And we can see our line starts here and it goes up, all right? So the first thing we want to do is we want to think about, well, what is slope? So slope is the change in y over the change in x. And so this little symbol right here, this little symbol, it means change. It just means change, okay? It's a little triangle. So that just means change. So we're going to see how much our y changes first. And that's from this point to this point, all right? So let's see. So to get from here to here, we have to go up. So we're going to go up from 10 up to 30. 10 up to 30, and so that is 20. So we know our change in y is 20. From 10 up to 30 is 20, okay? And then let's think about our change in y. What's our change in y? Okay, well, I'm sorry, our change in x. So our change in x, we would start where we ended here at the top of the arrow, and then we need to go over to our point here. So we know this is at 0, okay? And we're going to go over 1, 2, 3, okay? So we're just going to go over 1, 2, and 3. There we are. And that is our change in x, which is 3. 3. There it is, okay? So our change in x is 3. So our slope, if we go back to our slope, and I'll put it in blue, so our slope equals 20 over 3. All right, so our slope is 20 over 3. All right, and then our intercept, our y-intercept here, we need to think about that, and we need to say, okay, well, where does our line cross the y-axis? And remember, this is our y-axis, this is our x-axis, so it's y to the sky, right? Our y goes up and down, and then our line is right here. This is our line going here. And we can draw it all the way through if we want to, like that, so we can see everything that's happening. And where does it cross or meet or touch the y-axis here? Well, right here at 10. We can see it right here at 10. So we're just going to say our y-intercept is 10, all right? And so now we need to put all this together. So we're going to have our equation is going to be y equals our slope, which is 20 over 3. And then we'll just put in x, right? So we have our variables y and x, plus we're going to add our y-intercept. And our y-intercept was just 10, okay? So our equation was y equals 20 over 3x, and this means times x, right? That's multiplication, plus 10, which is our y-intercept, okay? So, and we can see how all that fits together. We found our slope first. The first thing we did there was find our change in y, how much we went up or down. Then we found out how much we went to the side for our change in x. And then we found our y-intercept, which was here at 10. And then we put it all together into our equation, okay? So this is my slope. That's my slope. And then this is my y-intercept. Okay? Thanks.